nothing changes.
Alright, we're up on the second floor. I'll show you guys the overlook looking down in a second. I got some of this in the drone shot that hopefully is going to appear in the video. A little lazy river action. And then you can see down there, it's like a little sitting deck up there, but there you go. All right, so I always tell you guys that you should always be working and doing stuff, but every once in a while, not often you guys see this, you gotta have a drink with some little tiki dude's head on it at a place like this. And not doing anything. You probably noticed I didn't put up a video last night. Hopefully this video makes it up tonight. You guys see some drone footage along with it. And yeah, I'm grubbing on a cheesesteak. Anyways, the whole point of this video is sometimes you need a break, and what better time than Christmas? Christmas is in, what, 2 days? 2 days till Christmas, Friday. Today's Wednesday, the 23rd. So enjoy yourself sometimes, guys. Take a little bit of a break. If you can't take a break like this, at least take some kind of a break. And don't work all the time. Floating down a lazy river. Uh-oh, waterfalls. More waterfalls. More waterfalls. More waterfalls. More waterfalls. Blah. Water. Water, water, water. Alright, we're just kind of floating.
Oh God, you're gonna go under.
Down the river. I'm about to get wet, but I got the GoPro, it doesn't matter. Ah. Yep. That's what happened. Kate's floating down too. Yep. And she went under. I gotta get the little cover. I have the waterproof cover on this, but I forgot the cover for the audio jack, so there could get water in this, so I gotta be real careful until I get back off of the lazy river. Waterproof electronics are only as good as the waterproof cover you have on them. Oh, there's Kate getting wet again. Yep. Oh, lazy river. It's supposed to be a lazy, relaxing river, except you get wet everywhere. Oh my God, I thought that was somebody watching us right there.
I'm seriously gonna tip backwards. Like, these are not meant for adults.
Like, yeah, and there's water everywhere. Look at all these water things. Good grief. Hopefully the audio on this is working okay. There's a little water part. We're up on like the second level. The ground is down over the edge. Ah, we're gonna get wet again. Ah. It's actually really cold when you're up out of the water. It's really cold when you're up out of the water. The wind kind of kicks a little bit. And you can feel the warm water on my feet, but not on my stomach and face. It gets cold. Hey, what's up guys? Hopefully you enjoyed a little bit of that behind the scenes and drone footage from the resort I'm staying at, and I just wanted to make a video to tell you guys, sometimes you need to take a little time off. Everything that I do on this channel is about working and motivating you guys and getting you to push yourselves, but all of us do need a little bit of us time, me time, resort time, and really the week leading up to Christmas is a great time to take it because the week before Christmas, so like pre-19th, 20th, people are kind of still buying and ordering and there's time to get work in. But once you hit like the 21st and the 22nd, nobody's really doing much through the last few days leading up to Christmas, right? Why not relax? Why not take some time off? Even, you know, a day or two after Christmas, people are you know, back to the shopping. They get gift cards and so they shop and people are back to work. But the week leading up to Christmas is really a time that you can get some relaxation, some time. We were lucky enough to be here, so we took it, and hopefully you enjoyed that little bit of video. But I just wanted to give you guys a happy holidays, you know, relax and take your time and enjoy life. Enjoy that money that you've been making all year long, hopefully. And if you need anything, as always, I'm at my email 7 days a week. Please don't hesitate, rockstarflipper@gmail.com. But I'm gonna go back to working on the 2021 training package that releases on January 1st. Everything is just about set and ready to go for it. We've got 7/8 days. I'm just doing some final edits and some putting things together so that it's absolutely ready for you guys on New Year's Day. So thank you as always. I appreciate everyone. If you need anything, don't hesitate to reach out. Enjoy your Christmas. I will see you for a live show tomorrow, December 24th, Christmas Eve live show, 9 p.m. Eastern. Hopefully the Wi-Fi holds up. The link to the live show will be down below. So join us 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow, Christmas Eve. And hopefully I'll see you there. Thank you guys so much. Enjoy life. I enjoy all of you. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you tomorrow.